Why are we killing off chickens affected by the avian flu? Hear me out before commenting. When the avian flu hits a farm, we kill the entire flock. That eliminates not only infected birds, but also the ones with natural immunities. Why aren't we allowing survivors to live and breed to create stronger disease-resistant flocks? That's how wild populations adapt to disease threats. Mass extermination, on the other hand, weakens genetic diversity and forces reliance on external interventions. By selectively breeding resistant chickens, farmers could develop flocks capable of withstanding future outbreaks. We lose 90 to 100% of birds within 48 hours of an outbreak. It's heartbreaking, but it's also an opportunity to protect our flocks in the future and help end this threat to our food system. We control the outbreak, prevent it from spreading, and then we breed the survivors. This forces a decline in the disease population, which also limits mutation opportunities and cross-species contamination. I say when in doubt, we should imitate nature. It has a lot more experience than we do. What do you think?